Determining whether to charge a service call fee or a per project rate depends on several factors. Firstly, consider what a service call charge typically covers. It usually includes the cost of your labor for diagnosing and troubleshooting the issue, regardless of whether you perform repairs. Service call charges often have a flat rate or a minimum charge. This approach may be more cost-effective for minor issues that can be resolved quickly. Secondly, think about what a per-project charge entails. It usually covers the cost of labor and materials for completing a specific task, such as hanging new lights. A per-project charge is often calculated by the hour or based on a fixed price for the project. This method may be more appropriate for larger or more complex jobs that require significant labor and materials. When deciding which approach to use, consider the time spent on the service call. If the troubleshooting process was brief and you did not perform any repairs, you might consider charging a service call fee. Also, think about the complexity of the project. If hanging new lights is a significant undertaking that will require multiple hours of labor, it may be more appropriate to charge per project. Furthermore, consider the customer's preference. Discuss your pricing options with the customer and determine their preference. They might be willing to pay a service call fee if it means receiving a discounted price on the lighting project. In the described scenario, it seems the issue might be more complex than a routine service call. If hanging new lights requires significant labor and materials, it would be more appropriate to charge per project. However, if the troubleshooting process is brief and you do not perform any repairs, you may consider charging a service call fee. Clear communication is crucial. Clearly communicate your pricing structure to the customer before beginning any work. Ensure they understand the costs involved and agree to your terms.